AKY Technology is a leader company in Turkish market in seed and dry food processing machinery industry. Administration building and assembly factory is located in the second industrial area of Mersin, Turkey. AKY Technology produces more than 350 kinds of machines and mostly assertive with Excel-sensitive screen cleaners and provides packing, sorting, cleaning, screening, calibrating solutions for global pulse and seed industry. AKY Technology employs 400 workers in 23 departments with production capacity of 150 turnkey plants in a year. The product groups are packing machines and equipment, after-packing machines and equipment, pulse processing machines, silo and conveying systems. AKY Technology is manufacturing global solutions for dry food sector. AKY Technology has been serving for 47 countries in 5 continents. AKY Technology established its 15,000 square meter production factory in the first industrial zone in Mersin. AKY Technology handles all the processes to bring a metal piece to life. Experienced workers operate the production line with high technology and meet the global standards of AKY Technology. With the effective engineering crew, the company is developing the technology and giving the best solutions for the global market. AKY Technology exports 50% of the total products and has representatives in Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan, Egypt, Bulgaria, USA, Spain and Israel. From the administrative staff to the research and development staff, from the installation team to the after-sales team, all of the officials and employees are working to achieve the company goals. AKY Technology is a unique organization which manufactures the equipment to handle all processes from harvest to packaging, as well as palletizer robots. as an assertive actor in dried food processing business. AKY Technology has established its first office in Europe, which is located in Bulgaria. AKY Technology is moving forward to be the global leader of the seed and pulses processing machinery industry. Now it is techno-innovation time with AKY Technology.